Cats and stuff. Hey guys, and welcome back to the cat enclosure. A little bit later than I meant to do. Sasha and Caramel are currently just sitting over here trying to be away from the sun. I really need to get back into gear and, do the stuff I'm meant to be doing. Because, let's just say I haven't been doing a good job since I got back. I've just been doing nothing. And that's not good. See the food? There's flies in it, there's ants in it, it needs to get changed soon. But I'm not wearing shoes, so I'm not game enough to do it yet. The water desperately needs to be changed. And don't even get me started on the kitty litter. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff I gotta do. Right. Okay. Bad hairdo aside. Yeah, my hair's just decided to do this. Don't know why. But that's less important than this. The cats need to be taken care of. And so, Caramel, I apologize for doing the wrong thing. And, what? And Sasha? Oh, she's asleep. Well, that'll be for this short. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. No, I can't do this. Shoot on. Well, not perfect, but that'll do for now. Well, that'll be for this short. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time on